In Ragic, you can use barcodes for various applications, such as scanning product barcodes to automatically populate product IDs, names, specifications, or let participants swiftly complete meeting check-ins by scanning barcodes. Whether it's a barcode or a QR code, they are all graphical representations of text strings. For example, this barcode represents A12345, and this QR code represents the URL of this website. They replace manual input by visually representing information. To utilize advanced automation with barcodes, integration with information systems like Ragic's form design is required. In this video, we'll explore the 3 most useful barcode applications in Ragic. The first application is automating ID input by scanning barcodes. For instance, when filling out a sales order that requires a product ID, manual input of lengthy and numerous product IDs can be inefficient and prone to errors. However, if each product has a barcode, simply scanning the barcode will automatically input the product ID into the system, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The simplest way to scan barcodes in Ragic is through the Ragic app on your mobile device or tablet. If you prefer to use a computer, it is recommended to use a handheld barcode scanner. The scanned barcode value will appear wherever the cursor is positioned. To create a barcode, enter the product form design mode and create a barcode field. This barcode will represent product ID. Therefore, in the Formula section, enter A1. After saving the changes, the system will generate a barcode based on the product ID string automatically. Since the formula is triggered only when you initially enter the data, if you need to apply the formula for all previous entries, you have to click on either of these Recalculate buttons after saving the formula setting. After completing the design, exit the design mode. You will see that the barcode has been generated. Using the label maker in the Reports section, you can print labels for all products on the sheet. Adjust fields and label sizes to your preference, then print and attach barcode labels to your products. From then on, you can use barcode scanning for quick product ID input, eliminating manual entry. Now, let's discuss the advanced barcode applications. Suppose you have configured the link and load function. When entering a product ID automatically populates other product information such as name, category, and price. By scanning the product barcode to input the product ID, you will achieve the same result, with all the related information automatically populated. As mentioned earlier, barcodes can only replace manual input. If you want to have such advanced applications, additional configuration is required. For more information about link and load, please refer to the link in the description box. The second application is to use barcode scanning to quickly find a specific record or a sheet. You can use QR codes to access entries or allow others to fill in the sheets. For example, this is an event registration sheet. Click on Tools, select Share this sheet, and download the QR code. From then, share the QR code online or print a physical copy. Now, when customers scan the QR code with their mobile devices, they will be directed to Ragic where they can easily fill in the sheet. You can use your phone's camera to scan QR codes and access Ragic's system because smartphone cameras have specific design behavior to recognize and interpret QR codes. In contrast, a regular digital camera cannot achieve the same result. QR codes simply visually represent the text string of the URL, without providing any additional functionalities. The third application is an advanced application of QR code, scanning it to execute a specific action. In this event attendance sheet, without using QR codes, participants would have to manually search for their record and locate the check-in button, which can be cumbersome and prone to errors. However, with QR codes, participants can simply scan the printed or displayed QR code. This will instantly redirect them to the check-in page, where they can easily click the check-in button to complete the process in just one step. Same as the link and load feature, in order to execute, this needs another configuration. Let's go to the design mode of the form page. To generate a check-in QR code, we first need to create a check-in action button that automatically populates the user's name and the date and time of the check-in when it's clicked. Once that is set up, we can convert the check-in button into a QR code for easy scanning. Click on Form Tools and choose Update Values. In this feature, you can use variables to automatically populate fields with their corresponding values. For more information on this feature, check the link in the description box. After completing the setup, create Update Values button and name the action button. Next, create another field and choose the field type as Action Barcode. Here you can select an action button and display its command as a barcode. After completing the design, click Save and exit the design mode. You will see that the barcode has been generated. Lastly, let's demonstrate the previously mentioned barcode applications in the context of inventory management. Let's start with a brief introduction to the inventory management template. The template consists of various sheets such as locations, inventory, location balance, incoming stock, and outgoing stock. It allows you to keep track of the quantity of different products stored in each warehouse and effectively manage the process of outbound, inbound, and transfers. To save time and streamline the workflow, print a QR code that links to the outgoing stock sheet and display them at the warehouse. When someone needs to access an outgoing stock sheet, they can quickly scan the QR code to open the sheet. Also, to save time and prevent manual input errors, you can generate barcodes for the product's number, location code, and inventory number on the outgoing stock sheet. This way, you can simply scan the QR codes instead of manually entering the information. To learn more about Ragic, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below.